Create stunning presentations, documents, and websites in minutes using AI with Gamma. While all creations with Gamma look impressive, you can further customize them by adding animations, adjusting the card format, adding backgrounds, and more. You can find these customization options in the Page Setup menu. To access Page Setup, just click on the three dots menu at the top right corner of your file and look for Page Setup. Let's explore the different customization options. Card size. Here you can adjust how your cards will behave. You can select the aspect ratio for your cards, choosing from popular formats depending on your Gamma's use case. For instance, you can use square for social media content or 16:9 for presentations. The default fluid format adjusts the height of your cards based on the content inside, allowing them to grow with your content. Wide content. You can toggle this option to widen the content inside the card and reduce the margins, helping you maximize space usage. It's particularly useful for displaying visual content like charts, graphs, or images. Full bleed cards. Full bleed cards make your content stand out, especially on landing pages. Enabling this feature allows your cards to span the entire page width, creating a more immersive and visually appealing experience. It's effective for showcasing high-impact visuals like images, videos, and graphics, giving your content a sleek, modern look. Card backdrops. Present your Gamma with card backdrops for added depth and visual interest. This feature lets you use images or colors as card backdrops, enhancing their visual appeal. We'll show how to customize this in the following steps. Adding animations. Animations can significantly boost your content engagement. In the Page Setup menu, you can turn on animations to bring your cards to life effortlessly. These animations can make your presentation more captivating and enjoyable to watch. Background customization. You can also customize your presentation, document, or website background. By default, the background is hidden during presentation mode and when you export your Gamma project. To change this, click the Show Card Backdrops toggle in the Page Setup menu. This ensures your chosen background remains visible and enhances your presentation or document's overall aesthetic, even when viewed offline or in a different format. Preview. We've made changes to give you more control over your Gamma's online appearance. You can modify your Gamma's SEO metadata, including its title and description, to enhance your content's online visibility. Moreover, you can now preview your page link before publishing. This feature lets you see precisely how your Gamma link will appear to viewers, ensuring the messaging is correct. Use the Page Setup options in Gamma to further personalize your presentations, documents, and websites, making them even more unique. Start for free at gamma.app and discover a new way to bring your ideas to life, powered by AI. Subscribe to our channel for more Gamma tips and tricks.